you know history of garbage bins? In the late 18th, people used ash bin privy to throw away ash that left overs cooking in the stove. This is the first type of bin that people used. With the Industrial Revolution, many industries started mass production with product diversification, and it creates industrial waste. Because of this product diversification, marketing system came into the scene. To get people's attraction in various marketing places, it was introduced product packing system. Main domestic waste is the packing materials such as polythene, cardboard, rigid forms. Because of this, it came the need for domestic bins.
During the late 17th, various types of non-biodegradable waste were produced massively due to industrialization. Therefore, dumping garbage was a rising issue. As a solution, proper waste management systems were introduced in 19th century. Waste containers for domestic and public use have been made since then.
Waste is separated to decompose or to recycle after it is collected. With time, bins with a color code was introduced to make the separating procedure more easier. We can find garbage bins in various designs and technologies. A pedal bin was invented by an industrial engineer, Lilian Moller, in the 1920s for the disposal of kitchen waste.
University of Peradeniya has a very beautiful and glamorous nature that not only local visitors but also foreigners are attracted to this paradise. So, there is no shortage of tourists in any time of the season. Through this godsend opportunity, environment has faced so many difficulties along with tourism, and one of the main problems is disposing of garbage in such an informal manner. Though there are already garbage bins within the premises and workers who assign with cleaning, still this has become an unsolved issue.
Up to this point, you saw that traditional garbage bin has been failing for many years in several ways. So, as E20 Batch, we upgrade a traditional garbage bin in an innovative way which is compatible for Peradeniya University and its gorgeous nature. So, let's move into the three-dimensional view of our design.
Here you can see the simplest structure of our garbage bin design. The very circumstance before and after trampling the paddle is shown respectively in this slide.
With the force created by trampling the paddle, lid is opened as sliding, and when we release the paddle, the lid will come to its right position. The accumulated energy is used productively in a different way to attract users.
Here you can see the plan view and the back view of the lid. When we push the paddle from our foot, the force goes through the cable to the lid and the green part of the lid opens as in this animation. When the lid is opened, the spring connected to the lid compressed and stores elastic potential energy. When the foot is removed from the paddle, the lid closes due to the elastic potential energy stored in the spring.
The main problem posed by the monk. As a solution, we are going to fix a small steel plate on top of the frame near the lid.
Here, the first image shows the side view of the lid that's closed and the second image shows the side view of the lid that's open. The spring and the lid are made of stainless steel.
To move the lid and wing, we use a structure based on letter S. We use the bottom part of the S to move the bin, while we use the top part of that to move the lid.
In previous slide, they explained that we use dynamo to generate electricity. We hope to use the dynamo this way. When we tram the pedal, cable comes down with the rack. From that force, we rotate the pinion and give that power to the dynamo to use it to generate electricity. The view of before trampling the pedal is in the left side, then after view is in the right side of the slide.
We make an animation of what happens when we stepped on it. We use this mechanism connected to a dynamo to generate electricity. When we stepped on pedal and lifting the leg up causes the dynamo to rotate two ways. So the resulting current is used for lighting up bulbs which help us to attract people. The cable is made out of steel and cogwheel system is made out of stainless steel for the better durability.
We have planned to make 4 different garbage with 4 different types of garbage that we have categorized. Our idea is to use some popular cartoon characters such that include SpongeBob, Wally and Pico for each types of garbage that such that bio-waste, papers, plastic and other waste respectively. And also we have one idea to use this plastic waste as a material to make garbage waste.
Use an attachment as shown in the picture to remove the accumulated garbage. The garbage collecting bin can be easily removed as shown in the picture. The bin uses a small lock so that the animals cannot pull it out. The bin is 92.5 centimeters high, 53 centimeters long at the sides, and the capacity is 120 liters.
We decided to connect few garbage bins each other. Therefore, we use a mechanism like this to the base of the garbage bin to connect them. Now we can connect them like this. This structure can improve the strength of our garbage bin.
Not like other bins, ours is out of reach of animals because we have put a little mechanism with a small steel plate near the frame which makes it hard to open the lid manually. The bin is opened by trampling, so the connection between man and the bin is very poor, so viruses and other bacteria won't spread unnecessarily. The wasted energy which is created during the trampling is used in an effective way where people become motivated to recycle garbage while it makes the bin attractive. Also, we have connected the bins in one place in one row so the security of the bin is stable. The outer cover of the bin is designed using reusable waste so it motivates users while it makes the bin less expensive.